Yeah, we know we're up to a very good Brumbies team, so the boys are under no illusion it's going to be a tough game, but we're excited for it. Well, we know the Drua love the rain and love the sun and love the heat, so whatever comes, I think the boys are just excited to get out. It's been a long pre-season that we've trained under all conditions. As we know, the last sort of 16 weeks it's been up and down the weather, so whatever brings tomorrow, we're just looking forward to getting out there. Some excitement. Obviously, we've got a couple of great wingers that have done well enough in pre-season to get the nod, and young Tuai to get on the bench is exciting for him from our development squad and what we've done over the last sort of 15 weeks. But the year before that just shows that that there's a system through our development for young men to be able to put on the Drua jersey. So it's extremely exciting for him, and he will look forward to his opportunity when he gets on the field.
I think the Brumbies have set the standard in Australian rugby for a long, long time now. They've been incredibly consistent, and that's a great credit to their organisation from Phil Thompson downwards. They're never a poor team. I mean, I cannot recall a poor Brumbies team. It almost doesn't exist. It's never existed. They're always strong in the set piece, although we challenged them a lot in the scrummage last year away in Canberra. I thought we gave them some real problems there. They've always had a good line out, very well organised. So they've always had their fair share of ball, and they've got really good decision makers. I think we need to continue to make strides. Our scrum's been very good on our own ball, one of the best in the comp. We've still got a bit of work to do on the oppositions. Our line-outs come on leaps and bounds. It's still middling, but I think Chris Gibbs is going to make some headway in that area. And I think probably the area where we are looking to get more clinical and just be a little bit more effective is around the breakdown. It's so important in the modern game. We know we're going to win our fair share of collisions. In the modern game, assuming your set piece is okay, you've got to win some collisions and you've got to clean out well, because otherwise you can't speed the ball up.